divided into exhaust gas from the exhaust pipe, blow gas from the engine crankcase, and evaporating gas from the fuel tank. If these gases are above the restricted amount, the car cannot be operated. The gas analyzer from Coinge provides accurate data on the composition and the amount of car fumes. When the emitted gas is tested, the results for the 6 harmful elements, such as carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, and carbon monoxide, are indicated on the screen. As restrictions of automotive gas emissions have become tougher, drivers are starting to pay more attention. By seeing the analysis results, it is possible to get the right type of maintenance.
사용하기도 편하고요. 손님들한테 설명하기도 좋고, 그리고 정확도도 있고요. 사용해보니까 아주 좋습니다. 괜찮습니다.